Hi, Mr. Hisham.
Hello, how are
How are
you?
you?
Good, excellent.
Can
Well,
you tell me about in which product you are specialized?
we are actually specialized in the tabletop and hospitality supply in total. So we are Le Panier Hotelier or LPH. We do have our own line from crockery, cutlery, glasswares, a lot of silver items that we do by projects, by design. So according to each catalogs or inquiries. So we have Royal Crown Derby. It's made from England. It's been
Okay.
established since 1750, and we do have this kind of lines that has a lot of golden plating with the 24 karat gold or special design and bespokes. Recently, we introduced as well our line of products called 360. It's
Okay.
originally made in India. We deal in terms of genuine leather, sustainable leather, and PU. This is a short brief about as well the silverware that we basically do.
Okay, sir.
On top of this, we do the linen for the tables.
Oh,
So
very good.
it's local manufacture in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
This is the table light. It has a variety of different options from different origins. Most of them are Europeans. We have German, we have Belgium, we have French, and we do have as well made in Australia. Below than
Okay.
that, it's much more into cookware and serving ware from ABM. It comes in copper, it comes in black, in silver, and many other things.
Yeah.
Moving forward, which is the most important thing and the most trendy part, is the Japanese products. We deal with more than 160 factory in Japan that has a huge variety from serving ware, accessories, drinkware, and much more. This is a small as well example about the display of the leather that we can do. It's a BD bar that as well can fit a lot of accessories that we can play with. It's easy to close, easy to open, and it can be worked as bespoke.
Wow.
So
Amazing.
we can make it for home
Yeah.
use or hotel use, depends on the usage. And definitely you choose your own.
Yes.
Moving forward, it's a Nareen metal. Nareen metal is one of the famous third generation factory in Turkey, Istanbul. They do have a huge line of stainless steel and metalware. So from cutleries to accessories to ice buckets to tongs, servingware, and all type of colors from shiny gold to matte gold to retro, stainless steel, copper retro, and much more. And recently they introduced the silverware. It's more
Okay.
silver plated solution. This is actually the most luxurious stainless steel plated with silver.
Very good.
To complete the range, we do have Rona. Rona, it's a Slovenian factory. It has a half crystal and half glass. It has very nice and trendy items for the hospitality industry.
Wow. Nice information. Thank you.